All right, so my first of five new technologies. The first one I'm going to talk about is called Production Pro. This is actually a collective organization program that's provided by Music Theater International. So, for those of you who don't know, Music Theater International is an organization that we and theaters alike purchase theater licensing through for shows to do like musicals and plays and stuff like that. So it is a production element that is provided by them. Unfortunately, I'm not licensing a show through Music Theater International this semester, so I do not have access to the actual platform of Production Pro, but I've done extensive research and I'm super hype the next time I do a Music Theater International show to utilize this program. So basically what it does is it is a program that provides myself as director and my cast a cohesive Google Classroom style platform, if you will, where I can post set designs and costume designs and measurements and notes and blocking and choreography and everything. It keeps it all in one place that I can share with my cast and or just collect my thoughts, which as a director is huge, especially as a director who likes to do things digitally. It's one place for me to post everything. And so it's a super awesome tool that I want to utilize. Let's see, that would be why I selected it. Purpose, obviously, to collect my thoughts as a director and try and get sources out to my cast in an efficient manner. My intended audience would be myself, some coworkers. I do have fellow teachers at my school that work with me on these shows, so that would be a good place for us to be able to collaborate for production meetings. But I think the primary audience would be my students, because this is how they can organize and access their scripts and do line memorization and music, and it's just a great tool all together. So I wish I could show you how to use it. I have plenty of YouTube and research that show me how to use it whenever I get to do that show through Music Theater International, but it is a huge asset, and I'm so pumped that I found Production Pro.